Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Who was that?
Oh, one of my classmates, Granny.
It was Nam that called you again, right?
Yes, he called about our grammar homework.
You shouldn't talk to him all the time. I don't want to be too strict with you, but I think you're too young to start a relationship with a boy.
Granny, we're just friends and he's not my boyfriend.
Well, I'm afraid there's no real friendship between a boy and a girl. You know, I'm worried you'll get involved in a romantic relationship sooner or later.
Don't worry, Granny. Nam and my other friends are good students. We just talk about schoolwork and things like that.
I don't know why boys and girls are allowed to be in the same school nowadays. When I was your age, we went to single-sex schools.
Didn't you feel bored?
Of course not. We were like one big family. I had some very close friends.
It's the same in my school. In my class, we're all good friends and help each other. All my classmates are very kind, caring and sympathetic.
Sounds good, but listen, I hope you're just friends with the boys. It's your studies that you should concentrate on.
I know that, Granny.